Good evening, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Program. So today we are going to see very important question. If G is S3 symmetric group of symbol G, then its commutator subgroup is nothing but A3. Okay. So how we will solve this question? Let's so we know that G dash commutator subgroup is normal subgroup. Okay. Okay. So we know that E, okay, A3 and S3 are only normal subgroups of S3. Okay, are only so E, A3 and S3 are the only normal subgroup of S3. Now, what is U? U is collection of all the commutators X, Y, X inverse, Y inverse. X, Y belongs to S3. Okay, observe that X, Y, X inverse, Y inverse is an even permutation. For all X, Y belongs to S3. So X, Y, X inverse, Y inverse is an even permutation. Okay, you can see that because we are taking X and we are taking its inverse. Then we are taking Y and Y inverse. So it will form an even permutation always. Okay. So this implies X, Y, X inverse, Y inverse. So this is even permutation. So it will contain in A3 for all X, Y belongs to, because A3 is subgroup of S3 containing all the even permutations. So this implies U contain A3. Okay. Now smallest subgroup generated by U is smallest subgroup generated by U is G dash. So we get, because U is contained in A3, so we get G dash will contain in A3. Okay. So we have this one. Okay. So, okay. So let's say it's 1. Now we know that G is abelian if and only if its commutator group is identity. Okay. But G is equal to S3 is non-abelian. So we get G dash is not equal to identity. Okay. So it means order of G dash is greater than 1. Okay. Let's say. Okay. From 1 we have. So I will write one thing here. So I will write this fact there only. So So what is the meaning of this? This means order of G dash is less than order of A3, that is 3. So this implies order of G dash is less than 3. Okay. Now from 1 and 2 we get order of G dash greater than 1 and it is less than equal to 6. Okay. Since G dash contained in A3, we get G dash is subgroup of A3. Okay. So by Lagrange theorem, both Lagrange theorem says that order of a if G is a finite group, then order of its subgroup, you take any subgroup of it, then order of that subgroup divide the order of group. Okay. We get by Lagrange theorem we have order of G dash divides order of A3. Okay. So what are the possibilities? So this simply implies that order of which numbers, because order of A3 is 3. So what are the possibility? What are the natural numbers? We divide 3. Either it is 1 or 3. So but order of G is greater than 1. So what is the possibility for order of G? That is 3. Okay. Now G is subgroup of A3 and order of G dash and order of A3 is same. So what can you say? The meaning is that G dash is nothing but A3. So this is proved. So today's question up to this, if you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you much for today's question. Thank you very much.